coming like a fork. So we either go up the hill or we go straight right here. Huh. Do we go up the hill?
What's that? I see a chain link over there. What's that?
We're at up here?
Yeah.
I don't know. Probably a gas line or
Oh yeah. Oh well.
some concrete.
This is all just.
Wow.
Pretty sick.
Oh my gosh. There's a hole right there. A hole there. You're wild on mountain.
As I have to rev out first gear because second would slip out.
Oh, geez. Almost pulled a landing. Hope there's some kind of reward up here for this.
I'm seeing more vegetation the higher we go.
Not looking too good up here.
It's got to loop back around.
Good grief.
Go, go, go! Whoa, it just like broke my seat.
Alright?
Yeah. This is the crap we're gonna do. I'm gonna have to get a DR that's like geared for this. Make one of the two geared for this stuff.
I didn't know we were doing this until about 2 minutes ago. Sorry. Oh my god. I don't know, dude. I'm a little sketched right here.
What do you mean?
You got that? I don't know.
I mean, how bad can it be?
Looks pretty bad.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
I mean, I didn't really hesitate on that, but that looks kind of bad.
Should I try it?
It looks like it just goes straight up after that too, though.
Looks like it bends to the left, right?
Yeah, and then it goes straight again. Where's this go? Oh, I don't know.
All right, I'll try it real quick.
All right, go for it. Good?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right. Oh, I missed the gear. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, stuck. I went down.
You did?
Yeah.
You gonna need help?
Hope not. Maybe.
I almost stalled out too. I was just sliding.
I went the first to the second. Crap.
Ow.
No, that sucks. Thing's heavy.
I'm at the top.
How's the top look?
It levels out and keeps going. Nice view up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hit my shin on the freaking foot peg. Oh, my feet are definitely starting to get wet now, you wiener.
Sorry, bro. I didn't know we were doing all that.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I'm like pouring gas.
Oh no.
Oh no, what are you doing? Stop that. Oh, can't get this heavy thing off. Oh.
I'm thinking about welcome to the party.
Yeah, that was fun.